Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, April 15, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, April 15, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 15, 2026 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, April 15, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for April 15, 2026, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, April 15, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.